Hi everybody, my name is Holly Draper and I'm the creator of Shop Draped. I am a digital content creator, all-around creative, and I am a head wrap artist. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a brand new tutorial for Rabbit Wednesday. So today's style is, we're getting back to the basics. We're going to do a big bow, a festival style bow. So picture this. You are at a natural hair festival and you just see this girl with a gorgeous big bow head wrap and you are just wondering to yourself, how did she achieve that style? Well, you don't have to ponder any longer because I'm going to teach you how she achieved it. It's very simple. Creating a bow is just as simple as tying your shoes. So without further ado, let's get into it. So today I am using my Festive head wrap, and all head wrap details are always in the bio below. So for this style, I need to mention that I am wearing my handy dandy stockings. And the reason why I wear this is because it creates a flattening effect for my hair so that it could sit down rather than being all straggly in the middle of my head wrap and creating all these indentations that are just not necessary. So you could use a wig cap, or stockings will do, anything that will kind of flatten out your hair at the top so that it's not going out this way, going out that way. If you have natural hair, it would be great for you to do straight back braids. If you're baldy, disregard all of this. Short hair baldy, disregard this. Let's get back into the style. So, centering your head in the middle of your head wrap. You have a little extra fabric in the middle. Make sure it's tucked down. We're going to tie once. And from here, just like tying your shoes, we're going to tie a bow. Take one section, bring it through. Now you have a bow. But how do we make it big and fluffy? You got it. You fluff it. You fluff it out. That is the secret to any great bow style, is just fluffing it out. It's not as difficult as it looks. We overthink these styles a lot. So just make sure that each side is very big and voluptuous. Make sure your sides are sitting down. Make sure that that wig cap is hidden underneath your head wrap, because what's under your head wrap is what? Your business. What is under your head wrap is your business and nobody else's. Right? And I'm happy with this look. So yeah. That is the style, you guys. How simple was that? Very. Let me give you guys a turnaround. That's it, you guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up and please make sure that you are subscribed to this channel so that you never miss any new tutorials that I put up. I put up new tutorials every Wednesday at 12 p.m. So, yeah, that's it, guys. I will see you guys on the next one. Love you. Bye.